my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you are a returning viewer, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join me for my crafty adventures. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, as well as that little bell icon so that you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Today I have a design team haul from ASC Craft Supplies, and I received the beautiful Graphic 45 Midnight Tales. I have been waiting for this collection and I'm so excited to share it with you. I will be reviewing the 12 by 12 collection, the patterns and solids, the 8 by 8 collection, as well as ephemera, chipboard, and journaling cards. All of these pieces are available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them online at their website or in their Etsy store. Please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I'm going to clear off my desktop and then we will review the 12 by 12 collection first. I'll be right back. This is the 12 by 12 collection pack, and in it you receive 16 sheets, which are 8 double sheet 12 by 12 pieces, and then you receive 2 6 by 12 cover weight stickers. Now, if you look at these colors, they are absolutely beautiful. I love the rich purples and lavenders, the greens and the orange. This is just a really fun and whimsical collection. This is the first sheet in the collection, and you have your signature page. You've got the witch. It says Midnight Tales. I love these black cats here on the top. You have a little fairy under a mushroom. These colors are just so rich and vibrant. On the back, you have this all over spider web, and if you look closely, you can see hints of these purple spiders. Isn't that fun? Next, we have an all over pumpkin page. Again, these colors are so vibrant, they literally jump off the page. On the back, you have this contrasting white and black check. Next, you have these beautiful cut-aparts. These would be perfect to include on the front of cards. You've got the witch. It says All Hallows Eve. You've got these fun little elves. And here it says, There's Magic in the Air. On the back, you have this vibrant green with the pumpkins. Next, you have this all-over pattern with the background, which is in purple, and then you have these fun little stamps. You've got the fairies, pumpkins, and these fun sentiments that say there's magic in the air, hocus pocus. On the back, you have this all over orange and dark orange print. Next, you have this very dramatic page, which is in orange and black, and you've got the witch, you've got fairies, pumpkins, and moons. And you have these little elves. On the back, you have this contrasting orange and black stripe. Next, you have this orange and green background with a purple floral detail. On the back, you've got this light and dark purple background. Here you have a black background with the little flying elves. On the back, you've got a purple background with these fun words. Next, you have these fun cut-aparts and strips. You've got the cats on the top, the pumpkin patch. I love these little stamps that you always have in the Graphic 45 collections. You have these fun cut-aparts here and more stamps on the bottom. On the back, you have an ombre pattern in orange, pink, and purple, and you've got black cats and their little stars in the background. Also in the 12 by 12 collection are these 2 sets of 6 by 12 stamps. Next, we have the patterns and solids. There are 16 sheets, and the primary colors are black, green, orange, and purple. This is the first sheet. You've got the black page with the gray text in the background. The back is this light and dark gray black print. Next, you have an all-over light gray and black print. And this is the background. The next page, you have these fun images from the collection. This is in green with a cream print. You have a solid green on the back. The next page, you have all over spider webs in green. Another solid green background. Here you have an orange page with cream writing. You have a solid orange background. The next page, you have this white and orange check. This is also with an orange background, but the next page is this purple. You've got an all over print with the background is a plain purple. And last but not least, you have this all over spiderweb print in purple. And you have a similar distressed purple background. Next, we have this 8x8 collection, and this is the same as a 12x12, just on a smaller scale. Let me flip through the pages. Next, we have the chipboard pieces, and you receive several pieces here, pardon the glare. We also have the journaling cards. You receive the 4x6 and 3x4, and there are 32 pieces. Let me show you some of them. These are the 3x4 cards. We have the black cat that says trick or treat. And this is what it looks on the back. You have the little fairy hiding under the mushroom. You have the little elves at the pumpkin patch. You have another fairy that's flying on the wings of a bat. This one says the witching hour. This one says magic spells. You have the witch and the cat on the broom and this little spider. This one says spooky. And the last one has a black cat and a little witch, and it says trick or treat. Let's take a look at the 4x6. This is really pretty. You've got the witch flying on her broomstick. It says Flights of Fancy. And this is what it looks like on the back. One of the things that I really love about the Graphic 45 4x6 and 3x4 cut aparts is that the front and the back look equally as good. This says Hocus Pocus. We have more of the elves. This is the back. This one says there's magic in the air. This is really pretty. This says All's Hallow Eve. Fly Away. And this one is the witch. It says Midnight Tales. And last but not least, we have another fairy hiding under the mushrooms, and it says Enchanting. And this is the back. Last but not least, we have the assorted ephemera. I'm not going to take these out. However, I'm going to zoom in here, and you can see that you get tons of fun pieces. You've got a little key, you've got the tickets, you have a clock, these pennants and jack-o'-lanterns, lots of sentiments, and larger tags. This concludes my review of the Graphic 45 Midnight Tales. This is a beautiful collection, and I can't wait to start working with it. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.